Three and a two, one, 1.5. Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to tonight's episode of the Wednesday Night Crypto Chat featuring my dearest co-host, Natebag.
What up, what up? Tunes, get the fuck out of here.
Good
Taking this
to
shit
get.
over and you know it.
Yeah, man, it's becoming a weekly thing now. Our now newest water boy co-host, Tunes. What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, guys? Appreciate you letting me come on the stream this week.
Yeah, he brought us coffee this morning, so we got
yeah, last week I
only
was
15 minutes.
last week I was busy cleaning up the office, but after the party, you guys didn't invite me to. But really happy to make it on this week. So hopefully I'll,
Don't let
do
us
my
down.
best. Yeah, and then I can maybe come on next week. That'd be nice.
That'd be great, man. And last but not least, Mr. Ace. What's up, man?
Yo, what's up? I'm not gonna
Dude.
make my intro so long, but hi guys.
Dude, I feel like we've been streaming almost every day, you and I. So
Yeah, literally, you guys have been killing it on that Bybit thing. That fun?
Yeah, man. Except I fucking accidentally fucked an order and I got liquidated on like 30% of the portfolio. So
Oh,
my
that's
bad.
A rough one. That's a rough one.
I wasn't used to Bybits, anyways. I won't make excuses. But we're making our way back now, and that's been really fun, actually. And yeah, good to have everyone in chat here. Who's in chat today? Got Shitcoin Jerry. Welcome back, my friend, with his guacamole.
Someone says, I
Yeah.
hope Majin sounds like an anime character. He is Goku. Like, you guys don't realize, but he is just Goku's reincarnation. Now he's trading cryptocurrencies, so.
Yeah, he got tired of training. Know It All, Joseph, Bitcoin Kang, Jake Evans, all of y'all, welcome. So, boys, what's been going on in the markets lately? I hear a lot about Ripple and XRP and all that
A lot about Ripple lately.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Moon time?
A lot of people are saying it's gonna be breaking highs again and things like that. I don't know.
Have you guys compared the US dollar chart to the like XRP Ripple chart? Not Ripple, XRP Bitcoin. Fuck.
No. What do you see?
They do look. I mean, not hugely different, but like fairly separate.
I'm sure the USD is more bullish.
That's kind of what I'm thinking. USD looks right now more bullish, but maybe Bitcoin could give you a better actual opportunity for profit. I'm checking out the stats right now.
Oh, that BTC chart just looks so enticing to me. But yeah, is anyone trading Ripple right now?
Nope.
No,
Absolutely not.
I may have longed the scam earlier today.
Yo, scam money works good, man.
Yeah. And
I have made money. Ripple's one of the only few like alts I've ever traded on Mex when they used to have it. I don't know if Mex still. I haven't been on Mex in a while, but do they still have Ripple?
Where on Mex?
Yeah, on BitMEX.
Yeah. So,
nice.
Yeah. Thank God.
Man, it's been a while since I've fucking been on that. But yeah, I've made a few trades on that, and they were good. But I don't know. I try to stray away from Ripple in general. Even long in the scam, man.
Yeah,
it's a rough one.
Yeah, not only that, but Ethereum BTC looks pretty good too. I don't know if you guys have checked the chart for that yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a glass of wine, so I'll be right back.
He's coming back loaded.
Yeah.
Actually, Ethereum is looking pretty damn good.
Yeah.
With the perfect bounce off. Yeah.
It reclaimed what looks like the EQ almost. Yeah.
All right, guys. All in Ethereum right now. We can pump it. This whole stream can pump it right now. I believe in us.
Our 50,000 fucking. Yeah, we got this. 100.
Get your lunch money.
Yeah, basically. But yeah, what else are you guys looking at coin-wise?
Coin-wise, I'd like to shout out our sponsor for the episode. Potcoin.
Yes.
Couldn't forget the sponsor, man. They're messaging me pissed right off now. So Potcoin is the sponsor of this episode. All you need to do is every time you buy some of it, you just rip a fucking fat toke, bud. Rip a fat toke, you make money. That's how Potcoin works. Look it up. I'm not lying to you.
We appreciate all the goodies you guys sent us earlier today. And great. Oh man, but like all jokes aside, man, Potcoin. We were talking about earlier, Natebag and I. I haven't heard about that coin since who's that basketball Rodney?
Dennis Rodman.
Oh, that
Dennis
was it. Yeah,
Rodman.
Dennis Rodman. There we go.
Yeah, when he hung out with Kim Jong Un in Korea, and he had the Potcoin shirt on. Oh
Great
man,
balls.
that was the top, if anything.
I'm back.
No, that brings the mega pump right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a
Dude.
long time, but Pot had a Pot did have a mega fucking pump. Imagine
What
getting
was
one
their
of those.
What was their market cap at the top?
Fuck if I know.
Wait,
Too
hold up.
much.
I'm gonna look it up. Give me a second.
No, if you
This is-
literally bought the bottom, sold the top, that's a 3,500% increase. You know what I would do for a 3,500% increase?
A lot.
Anything, man. Literally anything. You name it, yes.
It was worth 98.9 million or 90 million at the top.
Damn.
That's
What
actually 100. It passed 100.
what
Wow.
project is this?
Potcoin.
Oh,
That
was
our
2017 for you.
sponsor.
Yeah,
Yo,
exactly. The sponsor for the
nice.
episode.
Nice. Yo, guys, why don't I read out all the names in the chats to get some shout out?
Yeah.
All right. All right, hold on. Can I just read through what people are saying in the chat? Everything that's
You can
been
do
said?
whatever you want, man.
All right, I just want to make
You're
sure you
fired.
guys let me stay on the
Number
podcast.
one intern.
Fucking
I don't want to
talk.
fuck up. Shit. All right. ETH gangbang. We're talking ETH. Someone said I'm their dad, so hello. Talking about Majin. Everyone's saying ETH, XRP, Theta Moon, June 1st. Max still has Ripple, ETH, Raven. Nate sounds like Bam Margera.
Fuck, I'm blown, boys. I gotta go right now.
Crypto
Can't be here
Khalifa. Crypto Khalifa, how's everyone doing? Death to Fiat, what up? Dirt Wolf, aka Pompous LL, aka McLama, what's up? Crypto Kaib. Matthew, my boy Matthew says T Fuel and Theta equals retire in
Yeah, I just
September.
looked at T-Fuel.
So dude, my only oh man, I hope this works
no,
out.
say it. What are you gonna say? Something Let's hear it, man. Let it out.
I sold all of my Binance bags and just put it all on T Fuel at about 200 sats. So we'll see how that goes.
Whoa, okay.
Wow.
I hope it
but that's but that's
heavy.
shut up. That's just my Binance though. Like, and I have less than, anyways. But people are asking about Majin. Do you guys is
He's
Majin
here.
Is he coming? Do we
He's in
have
the
any
chat. Where the hell is this guy?
do we have any confirmation that he's
I don't know, but
he's just in the chat. He's at
he's
Sub
locked in
Gaylords.
fucking order books right now, man.
Yeah. Is that Majin or is that Ask Me How to Short? I'm not really sure who it is.
Well,
Couldn't tell
we'll
you.
find out
Do you know how to
shortly.
short though? I'll ask
But
you.
I don't.
So you went all in at. Let's not forget about this T Fuel play. So you went all in at 200.
Yeah. Well, Binance wise, not like my.
Okay, whatever. You're on your trading account right now on Binance. You went all in at 200. What's your exit plan for this?
So basically,
don't be
There
surprised,
is
man.
none.
hold on.
This is what he does all the time, man.
Moon,
Like,
baby, moon.
No, listen. So Theta just has this, announcement that they're going to get integrated into the South Korean, bullshit that has 50 million users, but it was like leaked, so it wasn't even really the official announcement. So when the official announcement does go out, Theta itself should pump, and then that should, T Fuel should have a lagging effect where it follows Theta. It's lower sats, so I feel like that's just more likely to go up. It sounds cool as fuck, and it's listed against Tether. And yeah, dude. So I just feel good about it overall. I haven't done this since Raven back in March, so that's pretty much where my
gambled.
Like I haven't really pushed the position this hard since Raven back in March. Like I didn't even really push Matic that hard back when that was a sick play. I wish I had done it more, but T Fuel is my big play right now. So yeah, I'm anticipating.
I think you can maybe hopefully I don't know, you can make like 20%, maybe 30% profit.
I hope you walk away with like 5 times, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
that's the
hopefully it
goal.
like completely
That's the-
blows away all like
Yeah.
expectations. That'd be great. But
I mean, the chart looks good if you ask me, but I would.
I mean, no, like the chart doesn't look horrible, but I don't know if the chart looks good to buy at this point. Like,
Yeah.
but
Well, it just got over the POC, which is nice. That's at
Nice.
202.
Yeah.
So as long as it stays above that, I think it's all right.
It's
is
all
it above it or right
calculated.
at it right now?
It's above it by a few
Okay.
sats.
What do you guys
Yeah.
think about Bitcoin right now, as far as it is right now?
It's not dying, and Ace, we got to check our long here because.
Oh, it's under.
Yeah.
I mean our short, not our long.
Are you guys familiar with an account called like Actual Advice BTC?
Isn't that double A Bitcoin?
Yeah, he's like an OG, like one of the OGs, and he
Yep.
pretty much tweeted today for the first time. It was like long here, so I took
And
that to heart.
shorted-
I'm
Short.
just saying,
Yeah.
I take that shit like because like if one of those guys posts it, he's like talked within his circles and like he had the consensus.
So all right, I'm gonna ask now. Do you know how to trade yourself, or you just wait for like certain notifications to go off?
Yeah,
and you're like, oh boys, I gotta act.
Okay. I'll give a little tip to the people listening. If you just stay on Twitter for like a year and you figure out who does and doesn't know what they're doing, you can really
you
can almost
by now.
you can trade through other people like in a sense where like if I want to make a trade, like I'm gonna look to a certain like the people that I trust, and if they're also making it, then like that's But people do that within their own circles. But like if you're just kind of like don't have a circle of people, which like it takes a while to like build that up, then like if you just stick around long enough, figure out who can and can't trade it, it'll help you out a lot. So that's kind of I look at shit like that, Like when I see that Cobain is like, yeah, dude, Tezos, I'm like, all right, word. It's fucking
All right,
good.
all in Tezos.
That's the third notification. I'm in.
Exactly, and it's worked out for me pretty well so far.
Bro, honestly, the only person you follow all in is Bagsy. That's the only way you're successful in this shit, man. Trust me. I got people running backgrounds on this guy. We can trust him.
Appreciate that.
Or Loma.
Balaclava.
Loma's been killing it lately. I haven't seen a lot of his tweets, but from what I've seen, he's so far been doing good, like good as fuck lately.
I'm saying he's the best trader on Twitter, at least as of in this moment, for the past however long. His hit rate's unbelievable. That's all I'll say. For like the amount of calls he makes, no one makes as many good calls as he does. Is what I would say. Well, no, I'm talking about pure volume. Like obviously,
I guess, yeah, he does do a fair amount, and he's pretty accurate with what he uploads.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like Loma's probably taking 5 to 10 more trades than Moondart is. At least that he's posting on Twitter. That's what I mean in that sort of sense.
Like I don't really follow Loma much. Like we follow each other, but I usually don't catch his posts all the time. And I hear from different people that he's probably one of the best that they've seen. So it's not only Toon saying that. So that's fucking awesome, man. Like,
I wouldn't say that if I didn't mean it. Yeah, for sure. Loma, I almost met him fucking 3 days ago.
Met him. I got his number. We're friends now.
I didn't. But he is too busy.
I was at his house. We're friends now. Don't worry about it.
I showed up to his house, but he didn't open the door.
Start banging on the window.
Yeah.
I'm Toons.
Hey, be my friend. I'm a trade ogre whale.
I was a whale on Topia, but yeah, we won't talk about that anymore.
I got caught.
Oh, catch me on Stacks.
I was about to bring this up, but someone in the chat just said it themselves.
Yeah,
so let's talk about PSV a little bit. Let's talk about PSV.
Yeah.
So Bagsy told me a rumor. Apparently, I don't know how much this is going on. I haven't heard anything about it, but apparently there was a little bit of a rumor going around that he moved the funds from Satoshi's wallet. Obviously, it's not true because you'd hear it way more. But if that's actually the rumor that's bouncing around, like people are idiots.
Here, I'll read the title. It says, "Fake Chinese news on Binance. Craig Wright pumps Bitcoin SV." Viral fake news about this. The fake news said that Craig Wright transferred a whooping 50,000 Bitcoin from the biggest Bitcoin wallet to Binance, dictating that he's the real Satoshi. Blah blah blah. Obviously, he didn't move shit.
Yeah. And are we gonna say that that's the reason behind the BSV pump? I mean, I believe it.
They're gonna pump it anyways, but I guess
Yeah.
it was a good way to get retail in on it.
It's up 80%.
Yeah.
90%. What the fuck?
Is it that high? I haven't even checked it.
Long
Yeah,
the scam.
apparently. Long the scam is right, man. Fuck.
Oh man. Yo, Viacoin man, what's up, dude?
Yeah, straight up. We're gonna shout out the other sponsor of today's episode. Via, as always, all in is never a bad bet. Never a bad bet. Well,
we got some news.
All in, but
There's some news.
Dumb.
We got news
all in
coming
on Via.
We got news coming up. I heard this bullshit announcement any time now. That's
always news, man. There's always new announcements around the corner.
Really bullish announcement coming up. That's what I heard.
Really bullish.
Like super fucking bullish, like the whole next month, every fucking day.
Every day, man. You guys want at least you want as many Vias as possible.
Yo, shout out to King. What's up, brother?
Hey.
Thanks for dropping by, man.
That's the lead dev of Shoecoin right there. I'm going to shout out our next week's sponsor, Shoecoin. You want to check them out now? It's early, low market cap. Get in, boys. Get in.
All sizes.
All sizes. We accept them all. Lead dev is King Bitcoin. It's only OTC. You got to message him to get in. So everyone, hit those DMs.
We got some smack talk in the chat. Marcus just said, I want some good traders to learn from, not these jokers.
Yo,
well, you came to the wrong place, brother. I don't know what you want. This is
speaking of good traders, the fucking boy himself just hopped out of the hyperbolic fucking time chamber. Majin has entered the chat.
Oh, man.
Market
we're gonna get some straight prophecy from that guy tonight. You guys better be ready.
Your mic is muted, my friend. So
you might be getting ready. We'll give him some time.
Yeah. Fucking Majin. I've been waiting for this moment for a while. Him and Pierre have been going back and forth.
I'm prepared for him to talk like his Twitter account. Just go on about fucking
1,000 words a minute.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I hope I can hear two keyboards going in the back from him typing.
Two keyboards. He's just got a mic and then one hand on each keyboard.
Majin's like, wait for it. He loves building the anticipation.
So another coin that we were checking out quick on the 3-day mandate was GRS. I think that coin's French or something. I don't know how to say it, but GRS coin, man. That coin pumps. That coin pumps.
Every year.
Every year, man.
Yeah.
And look at like the volume spikes on that too. That's crazy. You gotta get in, man. You gotta get in.
Yeah, it just reset after March's pump too.
Exactly. Full reset.
Yo, it's lock Bagsy. I think you're in charge of the thing. Can you lock this Hackerman's screen?
Sure. Yeah.
Oh, man.
I want to see Bags. He's cute.
Hackerman's are our chief of charting. That's what I call him.
Damn, it looks better on Binance than it does on that.
What does?
Gross coin.
Yeah, that's what I was checking it on Binance, and then I tried to check it on Trade.
Yeah, that's probably smarter.
But like that could just drop another. That could just drop another. You know.
No, but we have all the support at what is that? 1,400. That's only I don't know, maybe 99% decrease. You can pick it up there.
No big deal.
Just average down. Aren't we good at it by now?
Oh man!
Just if you buy every day, one day you'll be in profit.
Yeah, it looks disgusting on Binance.
Dude, the people who filled on that wick down there and sold on the pump.
Yup.
Damn.
They made money.
That was Natebag.
No, man, I'm just a po whale.
Yo, someone was telling me that Simple Token looked nice, and I looked at it, and I shared the sentiment. So maybe we could look at that after.
Ooh.
Simple Token?
Yeah.
Yo,
IOST.
Yeah, Eric Dobkin also said, "Do we see the sloppy ascending triangle forming on the 4-hour BTC USD chart?"
Mm.
We have many things to
The
look at,
4 hour?
ladies
Yeah,
and
we'll
gentlemen.
hop on, boys. We'll hop on.
Yeah.
Let's check this boy out.
What about the what forming on where?
This dude's lost over here. Guys, I don't know what room I'm in right now.
Come on,
I'm
Ace.
gonna call my
Stop eating so much sand, dude. You guys see that video of the dude eating sand? It's
Last night?
to like Minecraft.
It was a
music.
Tunes family fucking video.
Dude, Natebag, you would love it because it's this dude. He's eating sand, but it's to like Minecraft music. So like as he's eating it, it's like the fucking pickaxe noises. Oh man.
So about the 4 hour, this Bitcoin chart.
Oh god.
This looks
doesn't look that good anymore.
That's not Bitcoin. That's USD.
Someone told me they were looking at it. I looked at it. I said, all right.
4 hour, yeah.
Oh, man.
4 hour rising wedge.
I would love if Majin could like share his
a rising wedge.
And show us all the fucking like all his everything that are on his charts. It's unreal.
Yeah, we should just put Majin in control. Has he said hello yet?
I think
He'll get here.
Yeah,
He was Majin like Kex, got a straight fucking N64 plugged into his computer and just says he's charting.
Yeah.
You mean this rising wedge?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh
yeah,
man, I didn't even
know.
That's why I'm short.
That's
what was.
Dude, but like it also did the same thing at like whatever 6K, and then it just ripped upwards. So
yeah, I'm worried about that. That's what Bitcoin's been doing. It's just going up.
Oh yeah, that's another perspective though. Damn, nice, good eye. Yeah. Yeah, man. Some of these triangles are so subjective, is what I've learned over the months. Charting nothing but triangles is that you can really make a triangle out of anything, but it's like
yeah,
you kind of got I don't know. It can really like screw you over if you're just like if you can force a triangle anywhere. So yeah.
You guys heard much about Leo Coin, that new Bitfinex thing that's going on?
Yeah. It's probably going to make money.
Coin, but I don't know anything about it.
Oh, it's another exchange token, you know.
I don't want that before. Like the exchange has been around for years.
Yeah, I don't quote me on that. I really didn't read the white paper, but from what I remember hearing, it gives you the same benefits that an exchange token would. Maybe there's some small modification that makes it more beneficial, but I know that they sold out their IEO completely, so they have money.
Yeah, I guess so.
Now all they need to do is work their magic. So at some point it'll pump.
Going, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Pump like they're there to make money, especially if they have to waste so much on legal fees all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about that Peter McCormick and those fees that he has to face? That's intense.
How much was it looking like?
A lot, way more than I think he has.
I think he said.
I think I read 100,000 somewhere, but I'm not.
Oh no, it was 750K probably per. Oof. So if he loses, he has to pay 750 for his own attorney and 750 for Craig Wright's.
That's
it's so bad. And he's saying like he's gonna lose his house if he loses this. So
I thought he already lost his house.
I don't know, man.
What Bitcoin really did.
Exactly, man.
What do you guys think?
They're selling T-shirts. That's fine.
What do you guys think the community should do, or who should step up? A lot of people are talking about CZ.
Yeah, I think CZ would like. I think CZ would. CZ and Justin Suntron might actually just be like, well, "Fuck it," you know.
I think because they hate fucking Craig Wright, they probably will. But
yeah, that's what I think. CZ literally said he already tweeted something out along the lines of that he would pay for, and I believe him because
I believe him. I know CZ. I went to his house.
I know. I mean, for him, like he probably thinks he would rather lose money to keep his good name.
If someone says Pretty sure Cobain stepped up.
How?
We'll see.
I don't know. He
We'll
just
see if
made
it pulls
12, 15 mil when he bought the bottom recently.
Did he-
Maybe that's how.
We'll see
I'm
if
going
he
to
actually
Cobain's
steps
Twitter.
up.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what they're talking about, but I don't see anything.
Okay. Maybe it was a rumor.
A hoax. But yeah,
A
so
hoax.
someone mentioned shorting BSV. If you guys had to go for a short, where do you think you would be trying to open this thing? Because I mean, it's on quite an increase right now.
Yeah.
I'd be doing scalps on it. I wouldn't be like doing any kind of long-term short positions on it.
Yo, Quick Red's gonna come get his fucking money and just fat finger.
Yeah, he's just gonna liquidate
right
any
to a
shorter.
new eternity, man. Levels you've never heard of.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's like $1,000 at some point if we keep going up with Bitcoin.
What's the US dollar value? I could like.
It's two something right now.
Yeah, it's 225 right now.
Yeah, it's practically like a quarter of the way there.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, it's a stretch, but it's not impossible.
I've seen crazier shit.
Exactly. Yeah, that's exactly. Crypto's fucked, man. Anything can happen.
Ripple to 589.
Exactly. It'll happen.
Yeah. Back to the Leo thing that we were talking about. I saw someone. It like pumped up to like 0.03 BTC, I think.
What
And
is
then
it?
And then it pulled back all the way to like 0.01, like within the same day. And then someone was like, "Oh, like Bitfinex is now solvent again."
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
so-
Bitfinex's token? Is Leo?
Yeah,
Yep.
like they just like dumped their fucking bags just to be solvent.
Yeah, so what happened? Cobain offered to help gather crowd funds, and Peter said no thanks until further notice on Friday.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure he'll be able to fight it with a lawyer. Like, what the fuck is he getting sued over? Stupid internet money?
Defamation.
Yo, billionaire mode. You can sue for
Yeah.
anything.
Full billionaire mode. That's on the fucking lawsuit right there.
Yeah.
I was in full billionaire mode and he made fun of me.
He has doctor in his name and he's not a doctor.
I think that's the irony about it, but yeah,
really.
it's fucked though, you know.
Yeah, we'll see how it plays out. Definitely, it is a bit fucked, but
David versus
shit.
Goliath.
It's not the chart I saw. So,
Is it Leo token or Leo coin?
Well, it just listed here, so it looks like it could be that.
It's not the
Yeah,
chart I
I
saw.
think it's this one.
I think if Majin's speaking, turn up your mic a little bit.
Yeah, we can't hear you at Namek.
Yo, yeah, turn up your mic a little bit and you'll be golden. Majin's speaking.
Also, mute your YouTube, bro, because we can hear ourselves in the. Okay.
Turn up your mic a little bit and you'll be golden.
Also, mute your YouTube, bro,
I believe
because
in him.
we can hear ourselves in the. Okay.
Turn up your mic a little bit and you'll be golden.
All right.
So he's
You
not
there?
only just crazy on Twitter.
He can
This man's gone mad.
Yo, guys, what do you think about Zeke? Because I think that it's like looking good.
Zcash.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna bring that up. That's another coin that you can hold on to for every single day, and you're just in a loss.
Dude, it's low-key like $90. Like.
So what are we talking about, guys?
Oh, he is here. What up, man? What
Sup?
up? We're talking about Zcash
Well, what's the
right
subject?
now.
What did I
What's it?
miss?
You missed everything.
Ah,
You're
Ah.
still here.
False
You're
scam.
still here. It just started. So we're talking about Zcash right now. What's your opinion on Zcash?
it's a good scam.
That's what I like to hear, man.
Nice.
Good scams are the best one.
Yeah, if you crank it on the 12-hour, there are a lot of wicks trying to break that 0.01 level. So it's trying.
Honestly, I don't trust it.
Yeah, likewise, man. Dude,
It's
you just
gonna
burned so
fully
many
retrace
people.
again.
Hmm?
It's gonna fully retrace. You
To,
know,
to where? Zero?
Yeah.
to
What is it gonna
lows, yeah.
retrace to, man? It's still down. It's retracing to $0. That's where it's tracing to, man.
I'm looking
Yeah,
at the Bitcoin chart.
The USD is a bit more encouraging, but it's not as honest.
For this
What,
one?
for Zcash?
Yeah.
Let me check it out. Of course, I can't fucking check it out.
Oh, the volume's nice.
Yeah, honestly, that's what I was noticing. The volume is pretty nice. Yeah, the
That looks great.
Zcash on USD looks good.
Still don't trust it.
Yeah, the problem. Can't trust it, man. It's a scam. It's a scam.
Dude,
You
I
imagine-
mean, fucking businesses need privacy coins though that they can like turn up. Like, isn't Zcash still a thing? You can like turn it off and on, whether you want the privacy or whatever, so that it
Yeah.
like works out for like regulatory, like with compliance,
If
all
you
that
trust
stuff,
it.
all that jazz. So I feel like it makes sense for businesses to use a coin like Zcash for their.
Yes, but on the other hand, there are better privacy coins out there.
They all
So-
suck.
You guys really think that privacy coins will thrive in like a market that doesn't like privacy?
I
Even though
don't think they're. Yeah, exactly.
Why-
I think
Why-
they're gonna, like,
I think that's why it will thrive.
I mean,
I
we
Why-
think
like
there's always
privacy,
going to
but
be
the
one
government
good
doesn't.
privacy coin.
Why would any coin thrive though?
Demand.
Right?
My bear, man, I like it.
Yo, he got stopped out. He's in a pissed off mood.
Dude,
Why would
Majin,
any coin thrive? Well, privacy coins one for privacy. Like, fuck, what if you wanted to move money around that? Again, Canadian governments can really fuck you up for money and stuff. From anyone, man. You don't want people knowing about money, you need
I
privacy
thought you're from
coins.
Africa, dude.
I'm from everywhere, man. I'm from
Okay.
everywhere. I'm coming to
Gotcha.
States next.
All right, all right.
What about Haven? I mean, isn't that the good coin?
I don't know.
Guys, I think you guys are forgetting that Bitcoin is about to rally extremely hard and all alts are just gonna fucking dump.
I honestly, I could see it happening, definitely.
Yeah.
Like, come on, we've been through this.
Uh-oh. Haven.
So we're back. We're back to bull now.
Haven's at the bottom.
Time to buy.
And all these
Majin.
pumps are gonna retrace again and disappoint people to new lows.
Yeah,
Imagine-
and that's
New
what I was
lows
still.
on alt?
I still think with my theory about everything pumped up right now just to get into a nice spot to
It's just a
retrace into.
scalp, man.
It's what?
In the end, we had like months of accumulation memes, which ended up just as a scalp.
So what's your target?
Mhm.
Majin, what's your target for Bitcoin before it kind of tops out and then alts rally?
Well, I truly think that it's gonna skip 9K in like one blast.
Yeah.
Honestly, no, I can agree with that. I think if we get to 9K, why the fuck would we chill at 9K? Let's just see 10K,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, we're not seeing 10K in my opinion. If we do, we'll see like 10.5, and that's max I'm gonna be.
I think
Nah,
10K could be a
11,
top,
man.
definitely.
You
Even
guys are like
psychological, man.
you guys are like underestimating the irrationality already, being
Alright.
at a high, and it's only getting crazier. Look, the chart is almost going vertical.
Here, I can pull up something that concerns me, and I want to get your opinion on that, Martin. All right, so last time we had like this many green candles in a row was back here. So
Yeah.
what you're telling me is that we're gonna see more irrationality and see even more green candles and have it
Yeah.
look like this.
Yeah, the bias are simply stronger. That's
Yeah.
like, that's been the conclusion of May.
Yo,
You
those
should
buyers been working out,
buy,
man.
sell, you buy in higher. That's the conclusion, and nothing has changed from that. Like, it's only getting crazier, actually. And the way I see it, it's actually sad that we haven't had any real correction. And that's the fault of sellers. People don't want to risk selling, and big boys don't really want to short into this. You get me? Everyone is like mad and buying,
Yeah.
and it's not stopping. There were a few instances where it could have, corrected, but it didn't. Sell volume never would come.
So do you think we're vulnerable to any sort of like FUD? Like, is there anything that could possibly slow us down? at this
Yeah,
point?
yeah. I think like in 2017 we had the same thing. We would just rise and rise and rise, and only FUD would kick us down.
Like
Because
China.
look,
Yeah,
the way I see it, wills aren't in control anymore. You know? whales aren't in control like in 2018. We had a quieter market, but right now people are like jumping in, and like the masses of people that are buying, no one wants to go up against that. So FUD affects them more. For instance, the Finex FUD was an instant nuke to support.
Yeah.
Because people then want to jump out. We're all irrational. The emotions are right now like extremely positive, but it can always, shift quickly. But right now, I don't see something that is shifting that or, affecting it, but it could come.
I don't know, guys. I'm saying right at 10K, we're gonna load in some fucking FUD of some sort, like straight up load the China FUD in, load the Russian FUD, just load all the FUD at 10K, straight accumulation.
Bigger,
we need everything. We need the straight Donald Trump nuking Bitcoin somehow.
Like this short will be amazing when it comes, but it will be like so unpredictable. Oh, I really think this rally won't stop.
So you're saying all-time highs is what you're saying, Majin?
Well, probably.
I'm quoting that right now. I like that. I like that.
You're saying this year. You're saying all-time highs this year.
Yeah, but dude, the question is not like this year, but in a few months or not.
Yeah.
I mean, check the monthly, man. Check the monthly. It disrespected everything.
This would be my top. If we really had to have a top, I would say like 15K. I mean, if we blow past that, then that's basically brand new price discovery.
Like 15K easy,
If we come down from 15K, like that, again, that's quite a short opportunity from that.
But the thing
is, if we make it that high and we come back down, we're taking a hit, a heavy fucking hit.
But that's the thing. The ranges above us are like pretty empty,
Yep, very.
And that's gonna be volatile as fuck.
Very volatile. But again, if we break all-time high, again, as you just said, ranges are empty. For all we know, we can have another mega moon, just like.
But it will be like
all-time high
nukes
from
on
before.
the way, and it will be shitty. It won't be easy.
Stock
easy
part
was
the monthly ever sold.
But that's what I'm wondering. What the fuck are odds gonna do?
Yeah.
Yeah, if Bitcoin does really pump, alts are gonna get nuked.
I don't know, man.
Because
well,
truly disappointed this year. Like
BTC pairs get wrecked.
Yeah, BTC pairs are gonna get wrecked.
What about the majors, like XRP, Ethereum? Let's say those two.
I don't call XRP a major, but I think Ethereum and Litecoin will try.
How is it not a major? Isn't it a top 3?
I would say XRP is a major.
It doesn't really move with everything.
I really think that XRP is going to get like, a crazy pump.
Buddy. 589.
Like at some point.
But not necessarily right now.
Yeah, it's like teasing everyone constantly, like, it could have already bottomed, but it's still going sideways. It's such a fucking scam, always.
I feel there's a bit of hate towards that coin.
I mean, it's 2017, it's still a scam.
I don't know. If Bitcoin's hitting all-time high, I think XRP can definitely hit the good $5.
Have y'all seen the Litecoin chart?
Yeah, Litecoin's my favorite right now.
Right now? Are you looking at USD or Bitcoin? I'm looking at USD.
Yeah, same.
Wow.
I mean, like, if it breaks this, it's looking beautiful. It's got to break this, though. Horizontal's looking E.
At least put us at 150 then.
Yeah, because again, if it breaks it, you're hitting at least 150, and I doubt that's going to stop. I don't know. I could see it breaking 150.
What's up, bit dealer?
XRP is not going to be $10 in the next few years. It's going to be $589, man. We got high goals.
Yeah. So I think the majors are gonna probably go with it. at least from the ones that we just mentioned. But the rest of the altcoins are probably going to
Yeah, I
die.
think the majority of like Binance alts and stuff are gonna take a heavy hit if Bitcoin decides to just fucking go for it.
Oh, speaking of Binance, I think margin is going to be coming in June. That's my.
Mm.
That's
Have
what
you
it's
guys heard
gonna be like.
much about the margin or anything about
Dude,
it? I was gonna talk
yeah,
about that a little bit.
Yep. So if you guys right now, anyone listening, can go on beta.binance.com and you can see what the new Binance is going to look like, and you can see that currently there's going to be Bitcoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Tron are the 5 coins that you're going to be able to trade with margin.
Do you know what margin's going up, like the amount?
No, I don't. But you'll be able to trade all of them against Bitcoin, and then you'll be able to trade all of them against Tether, with margin. And to do and margin, it's not going to be allowed in some countries. I know like the United States is one of them.
Yeah,
and
I'm pretty sure you have to dox to Binance to use margin.
yeah, and you're gonna have to like do a full like extensive KYC if you want to trade with margin.
Mhm.
So that's the deal. It's that's really I don't think people are really respecting it and truly appreciating.
It's gonna bring a huge market to margin though.
Yeah, like
There's a lot of people on Binance.
It's gonna change the whole kind of like trading landscape where it's not gonna like these noobs aren't necessarily gonna be like losing 10 or 20%, like they're gonna be getting liquidated. And it's gonna be just a sight to see, honestly. It's gonna be sad. I think even like some dudes who like people respect are just gonna get like, that never trade margin are gonna like get greedy and get ruined. So I would recommend to anyone, unless you like really fucking know what you're doing, just stay away from margin.
Yeah, I think margin trading in the
spot
beginning is gonna fuck a lot of people.
Get ruined. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up?
Yeah.
What's up, margin?
You gone. One F in the chat.
Again.
Yeah, let's look at some coins in chat, see what they want.
Yeah, see what the chat's talking about. What coins? What coins, boys?
EOS. Oh yeah, what are you guys thinking about EOS? Apparently they had some crazy announcement in 2 days.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Didn't they just pump or something though?
Yeah, they pumped pretty hard since their lows, honestly.
I guess it depends what the news is.
Yeah.
I mean, so far it's making higher lows, so.
I mean, it still has a lot of way to go. I think it could still pump a lot more. It's just
that is quite an increase from the bottom, but yeah, if that just keeps breaking stuff, that has a long way to go.
I'd probably put some orders like 8.5, 8.6 and hope for a wick down to that support level.
Yeah, that looks good to me.
If Bitcoin does something shitty, that could be a good opportunity.
Yep.
Especially before the announcement. If let's say Bitcoin were to, do something irrational tonight. But that is not financial advice.
So someone said, what should we be careful with when margin trading? Everything.
First things first, the amount of leverage you're using and the size, like how much of your account you're using with that leverage. Put it this way, if you're on 10x leverage, that means a 10% move will liquidate you. And that's nothing. That could be in one wick in a minute.
So man, literally one wick and you're fucked.
Yeah, and then you're crying and you don't know how to pay your rent. So first things first, I'd slow down on the leverage. I'd start maybe with 2x.
50 times is a good starting spot. Yeah.
But you'll have your own style. Some people could do 10x, but they only use 5% of their portfolio or whatnot. So there are different ways to do different things.
It's also about your entry too. Like if you're trying to long on resistance and then short on support, like good luck with that.
Yeah, dude. If I ever traded on leverage, I probably would have been completely liquidated by now.
Probably.
Honestly. Yeah.
And your position size matters too. Like, I mean, don't just start off with a big giant position size. Build into your position size. I mean, know what kind of risk you're taking before you're getting into it.
Go all in.
All in every time, baby.
So
ADA, I'm seeing ADA being talked about quite a bit. Has anyone taken a look at ADA lately?
Dude, one of my boys, Krillin, Crypto Krillin, great trader. He's
actually, it looks good. Even
it's ready.
Volume volume picking up and everything.
Bro, this is on Mex right now. I long it here.
FOMO.
Yeah, FOMO long right
FOMO in,
now.
boys. FOMO
This
in.
is not financial advice.
This is financial advice. Let's get this bag.
I'd probably
Let's look up my nice low volume coin on Trade Ogre and advise.
I'd probably long it to like 1148, 1149, maybe 1198 max, 1190. Those are two resistances that could make good TP areas if you're long.
Dude, this was a coin that like so many big accounts were like, this is gonna be the winner. And if it's not, that'd be really funny.
Oh man, that's Dragon Chain. That's the winner right there.
Bitcoin
Yeah.
chain going down.
Bitcoin Chain.
Bitcoin chain.
It's gonna dip, man. It's gonna retrace.
Yep.
And-
I was gonna retrace to where?
Well,
60.
ideally
or
750.
750?
Yeah,
But you're on crack.
ideally, but like the entire zone between 750 and 850 or 9 is perfect.
I won't argue with the guy. If we get a crazy wick, that could definitely.
Yeah, crazy wick
Play
to
out.
750.
Well,
Really.
if Bitcoin is going to go crazy, crazy wicks will happen all over the place.
Yep.
So. Got to prepare, man.
That's why I'm gonna look into getting some hedging into liquid shit coins that don't move regardless of Bitcoin moving
Well,
up or down.
True.
Does anyone remember the 2K17 flash crashes on Finex?
Yeah, man.
Like every 2 or 3 days, every fucking alt would flash crash hard and then bump again. Like I'm expecting similar things to happen as volatility will increase and stuff.
Mm-hmm. You hear that, guys at home, ladies and gentlemen? Watch out for your volatility.
And especially if like Binance adds margin, yeah, man, it's gonna wick all over the place. There will be like flash crashes.
Yeah. So what about the? How much do you think the validity in the coins that are being added in margin is going to be affected? It's like the few coins that Binance is adding into like margin trading. You think those are going to become volatile as fuck, or just do the same?
I'm not sure.
Maybe Tron. If anything.
No, man, Tron's on BitMEX. BitMEX is strictly made for shorting.
Oh, you're talking about the ones that haven't been added yet. Oh, okay.
Sure.
Yeah, dude. That'll be.
What the fuck is Bitcoin doing?
Let it dump.
I don't know,
I'm
man.
telling
What is
you.
Bitcoin
No.
doing?
Let it dump.
What?
Let's hear it, Margin. You tell me. What's Bitcoin doing?
It's fucking me over. That's what it's doing.
Liquidate him. Liquidate this.
Liquidate this man on stream.
I'm underwater, but like
Oh shit! It's actually
the daily
like,
doesn't look
damn.
bad.
The whole
The 1
top
minute
sector of
chart
this-
though. 1 minute chart's looking rough, man.
like, this
You
whole
gotta look
top
at
sector
that
of
vision.
daily looks
Aesthetic.
like shit.
Yeah.
Stop,
Damn. Bitcoin
guys.
just go
Please
from
stop.
87 to
Cover your
86.
shorts, guys. Cover
Yeah.
that.
Cover this
one.
How's that
God.
short looking, Ace?
Here we go.
Dude, I already closed out and opened up another one.
New lows incoming.
Oh shit, really?
Yeah, I'm trading in between streams. while we're
Okay, because like my
Always, I
Bybit's
like that
not
style.
loading.
Yeah, we're
Target 1K. Is that what you're thinking? 1K.
Probably a bit lower. We're thinking like 500. Maybe
All
like
right.
550.
All right.
That's a good accumulation range, I'd say.
Hey, it's still a higher low, guys.
You got that damn right.
There's hope.
This is great.
Yeah.
How's yeah. I wonder how ETH and Ripple are doing against Bitcoin as it, whatever.
Bounce, baby.
It looks like it could actually bounce here. I'm sure
Ripple hasn't moved that much.
Yeah.
Ethereum pumped a bit. So right
You
now
see Ethereum
Ethereum's
pumped?
inversely correlated. Yeah. Well,
Oh,
ETH
you're looking at
BTC.
Bitcoin. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, ETH BTC looks amazing right now.
Yeah.
Like,
What's
pretty
that?
good.
Dump for ants. It was a dump for children.
Just dump the children, man. Any day. Don't need to say that twice.
Fuck 'em.
Looking at the 1 minute on Bitcoin, we have a confirmed reversal. Mega Moon right now, boys, all-time highs. Let's fucking get it.
Oh, we're definitely dumping. Then it's coming down.
Nope, no, just you wait, man. I've got a lot of lines here. I'm holding this bitch up.
Yeah. Well,
Gotta
for now it's
strictly trade
holding.
that 1
That's
minute.
all right. Yeah, looking at that shit on the 1 minute is so stressful.
So fun.
So
It's fun,
fun.
man. It's fun. Can be stressful though. Can be stressful.
Yo, I think Loma is tuning in. Hi, Loma. I love you.
Hey, what's up, Loma?
Sad to say that.
That's
Shout
another
out.
sponsor of the night.
Yeah, well, we were sponsored by Loma Crypto.
Yeah.
Go follow him.
Bye.
Go follow Loma. He needs it. Dude, yeah. He'll come on sooner or later. He wants to come on, so.
Yeah.
So,
Maybe in
Majin,
June or July.
why haven't you sent this shit to Namek yet? You've been on the stream for like 20 minutes now. Just blast this shit, man. Just go with it. Get Bitcoin moving.
Can we send it?
Maybe it's not a full moon tonight.
It's time to send it, man.
Yeah.
we gotta send
Let's
it.
fucking go.
Yo, Majin, I've never spoken to you before. Like, when did you start? If you don't mind me asking, like, what's your backstory? Whatever you can share.
What?
No, like, how'd you get into crypto?
2K17, like autumn, summer.
Nice. Me
That-
too.
Back then. What, you two?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah,
So,
man.
did you get N shares back then?
No, dude, when I started getting a bit more serious, AntShares I think it just rebranded to Neo. It was in October or something.
Okay.
September, October, around there. But yeah.
I had like a friend of mine who introduced me to this shit, like as in he was like busy with it before that during the bear market. He bought Bitcoin and he was like, yo guys, this is gonna be so innovative, blah blah. But it was like basically ranging for months, right? So at some point 6 months later, he was like, yeah, I couldn't handle the stress, man. It just doesn't move. And then he like cashed
Fuck.
it all out. And then a year later, he's like, fuck. And yeah, then he bought and he didn't sell until it crashed again due to China. So yeah,
Yep. We got that.
China vibe.
We got that.
that guy
Isn't anybody gonna
also
get in on
went
Bitcoin
all
X?
in Link. He went all in Link and is still holding.
Wow, good for him. At the bottom or what?
Well, from the start.
Okay, so he's been averaging in from
Day
like,
one. He's like day one.
day one. Dude, he's a trooper.
Like he doesn't trade, he holds, and like he failed holding back then, so he doesn't want to do that again.
Bro, you know what that's gonna mean, right? He's definitely holding through the whole thing.
Yeah,
You better tell him when to sell.
like he doesn't listen, man. Like I told everyone to fucking sell in December and January, but no one fucking listened back then. No one.
Shit. What can you do?
Now you're financially
Yeah, but the
advising
funny
us to
thing
buy
was-
the dip.
The funny thing was when they all started leaving like group combos that were already dead, you know, crypto related, that's when it was time to buy. Like literally.
Yep.
But what's scaring me is that they're now all, you know, hitting me up again, like, yo. And I'm like, shit, but is this a good sign or a bad sign? I think it's a good sign.
In the beginning, it can be a good sign, but you know, then we're getting that mega dump to 5K.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you like that?
I would love
I
it.
still have people who are waiting for like 2,500. Like what?
Really, huh?
Oof.
I wish.
Oof.
Yeah, man.
1
You
minute
never know.
Of,
Fucking
Bitcoin not
full
looking
out.
so good. Looks like we are going right back down.
Yes.
Liquidate margin.
Yeah, Marcus, if you want some good
Bull
traders,
bot- The bull bot has been turned on, guys. Doom is cancelled. Doom is cancelled. And then it nukes. It always does. You know, that really like surprises me. Every time when it's supposed to sell, nothing happens. It's like really awkward.
Like just
I don't
someone's
know if
there
you guys have
holding it up. What's that?
Well, have you guys noticed? Whenever it's supposed to sell, volume just dries up.
Where
And
do you think all that demand's coming from? Is it literally
I
retail
really
like we just spoke about?
Well, like it's seriously is retail for sure. Like
What
institutions and stuff use different roads, for whatever. They don't care about BitMEX.
Mhm.
So I like see BitMEX as a retail venue. And like the volume on BitMEX is mooning as fuck. Have you guys noticed that like the spot exchanges are like getting out of sync, which means
Yeah.
that arbitrage isn't being utilized as efficiently as before. Why? Because there's a lot of pressure on the market. The exact same thing happened, in 2K17. Every exchange would have its own price, which could, go up in thousands even. But right now it's still, subtle, but noticeable.
So I just want to shill a quick shitcoin that my boy Cash Boy reminded me of. So Komodo. Anyone been looking at that lately?
Yeah, it looks good. I was
It
just
does
talking to
look
my
good.
boys about it.
It's like
It looks
keeps
good.
laddering up, like little stairs.
Yep.
It has a rebrand coming soon, right?
I don't know, man. Rebrands used to bring the biggest pump, so I'm down.
Yeah. He must. I mean, he must know something. That's all I would just take by that. But I don't know.
Wow, we're seeing all-time highs on Komodo, no doubt. All-time highs right now. Same with fuck it, everything's going all-time high. Just get in the crypto markets right now.
Everything by the end of the year, all-time highs. Bitcoin's gonna scam wick to like 250K and then dump, and then alts are just all gonna go so crazy. Oh man.
So, Mon, you said sell now, buy back at double digits. That's for Bitcoin, right? I'm gonna get Bitcoin at like $13. I hope.
Yeah. So chat, what shitcoins are you guys looking at right now? Give us something.
Oh shit, we got a lot of T fuels coming in.
Yeah, it's a Zill shill.
Zill, that's one of my big bags.
Is it?
Yeah, I keep buying that bag.
Oh, volume's
Oh
picking
god,
up.
the shields are out. What did we do?
Zill.
Oh god, the big shields are out. XLM.
Dude, I think I would stand by this. XLM will be one of the majors that survives. That's what I think.
It's been around for a while now, I believe.
Dude,
Actually,
I think
XLM would be at quite a point to
Damn, look at that.
if it keeps going up, bro.
I think it will. I think that'll be one of like those coins that are in the top 10 right now. That'll still be in the top 10 at the end of the next cycle.
I'd like everyone to look at Marcus's message on YouTube and yeah, just go all in. Whatever the hell that could possibly be, you just gotta go all in on it.
And look at XLM's monthly chart over here. It's crazy. Oversold as fucking.
XLM.
Yeah, that's their dollar value right now on the monthly.
Mark my words, it will all disappoint.
Really? Yeah.
Sorry, man.
Oh,
Just like Bitcoin.
XLM really like volume has picked up on that significantly.
dude, I've heard rumors and shit about XLM. They're working with so many people too. It's like one of those. I don't want to say too big to fail things.
For me, it was easy for me with XLM. I just heard IBM, so I was like, all right, well, that was
that seems like there's a lot of big players that are like, this is the coin we're gonna. Maybe I feel like XLM is the real XRP.
Let's hear what you got to say, Margin. What do you got to tell us?
Well, like I kind of heard the opposite, that XLM and XRP partners are like, finishing their, partnerships and are like leaving them. And both like insiders and stuff have been leaving for months. and I've heard this from very, very credible sources.
Okay.
The thing is, whales don't give a fuck.
Leak 'em.
Whales don't give a fuck about what the fundamentals are or what the product behind it does. It's just a shitcoin, and they've got lots of it, and at some point will scam pump,
Yeah.
But the companies behind it, both XOM and XRP, are getting like obliterated right now, especially with the JP Morgan thingy. It's not a meme. It's true.
Basically, guys, Majin is saying every coin is going to end up like this once Bitcoin starts running.
No, but like it can
Every
pump
coin.
gloriously. It can pump gloriously, but like the product behind it is worthless, and the partnerships are ending. That's
Yeah.
a fact.
Majin, are you talking about Quorum?
No, but
Oh,
XOM.
No, I think you said JP Morgan, and that's their like blockchain thing that they're
Oh yeah,
creating.
yeah.
So I don't know if that's what you're referring to.
No.
Okay.
But like I heard that JP Morgan coin is taking over like whatever XOM and XRP are trying to do.
Okay.
I mean,
I don't know
Yeah.
how far. I guess JP Morgan's a bank, but I ain't putting my trust in them. I ain't buying their fucking coin, whatever they bring out.
It's a stable coin anyways, right?
yeah, but that's
Yeah.
like what they need,
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that
Like
is what they
then
want.
we wouldn't have fucking Tetherfuck, if we had just one stable coin that everyone would kind of trust,
Mhm.
right? Now we've got like 100 sketchy stable coins.
Yeah, it's true. There's too many.
Yeah, and they're
Yeah, really,
sketchy
there's
as fuck.
way too many stable coins. That's something that they're like, it's okay to have a couple maybe, but like they really just had them
Yeah, way
like,
too many.
popping off. Like there was just new stable coins once a week, and like why? How many stable coins do you need pinned to all the US dollar?
20.
Yeah, exactly.
Like they all do the exact same thing. Just because you guys can do it does not mean you should do it.
It's all about whoever can back it with the most real USD.
Hasn't worked out for any of them yet. So
Yeah, have you
yeah,
guys?
look at that. That dude said he's making the stable coin. Honestly, I believe him. I believe him.
Yeah, what do you guys think of Harmony coming up?
I was about to ask that. Yeah, what do you guys know anything about Harmony? I read a little
Dude,
bit about it, but not much.
There will definitely be a play to be made. It's just you got to be patient with it and look for guys like look for guys like Mac and Loma to tell you when to buy. I'm serious though. Like there will definitely be a play to be made. I promise you guys. But just don't
So,
like if you
when
think
can I
about
rely on you giving us a play?
think about never think about how all the other IEOs they got listed, they dumped more and then less and then less and they bottomed and they pumped. So who knows how fast or quick that'll happen with Harmony, but there'll be a play to be made for sure. Definitely. Dude, so here's the thing. There's so many people that are like, oh, dude, like, here, buy my fucking bags. Like, these coins that have been around for, like, 2 years that already went through their cycles. And it's like, think back to 2017, all those massive pumps, like, most of them were, like, these ICOs. And it's like, they're these new coins that hit the market. And where's most of the money going to come from?
Bouncing.
For these massive.
Finally bouncing.
What?
Bitcoin's finally bouncing. Come on.
Okay, awesome. But as I was saying, where's all this money going to come from? It's going to come from retail FOMO. And where's retail FOMO going to go? It's going to go to these new coins that just got listed. So, coins like these IEOs and like all these new coins that are coming out in the next like months or years are the coins that I think will do the best. So that's my 2 cents. So Harmony definitely will provide a sick play.
Keep your 2 cents. That's all you have left.
2 cents, man.
But my miner buddies are they're really excited. They've been making a lot of money lately. The last 2 months mining.
Yeah, honestly,
Really?
I've heard because like there was a long time in the bear market where nobody was happy with what like their mining profits. But lately, I've been talking to like some miners and everyone's been kind of happy lately.
Nice.
So overall structure of market is like, I mean, not even market, but like just the whole ecosystem of Bitcoin and stuff is looking up, boys. It's looking up.
That's what I like to hear.
If miners are happy, well, everyone's happy.
Yeah, guys. So just buy these new coins that just got listed, like T-Fuel. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding. It's not financial advice.
Doesn't T feel like just pretty much what was it? Tomo
So
and
bas-
seafood or something else.
So it's the theta fuel. So basically, if any sort of service, like if say Netflix integrated theta, as you watch Netflix, you wouldn't earn theta, but you would earn T fuel, and then you could use that T fuel to pay for your Netflix. So that's kind of what it is. Yeah. Anyways, T fuel dragon. What's up, the dragon?
Yeah, what up, Dragon? Shout out the
Dragon,
boy.
dragon.
Shout out, big
Dragon gang.
shout out to dragon.
Yo, Dragon,
Yeah.
let's get your quick opinion on XLM. I believe he loves that thing.
So that's a non-biased opinion right there.
A non-biased opinion right there. Actually, you probably get 100% bias. He's gonna tell you dump it, just like fucking Majin. Man.
Lot of
Get rid of that shit.
bias.
Get rid of that
Oh,
shit.
dude, that's a nice little entry on Raven Coin. If,
Dude, yes, Raven. That's the other one too. Raven and fucking T Fuel are the best coins on
Looks
Binance.
good.
Yeah,
hot.
Raven is looking.
And hot.
it could keep. I don't know.
It could pull back a little, but like generally, if you're buying low 600s, you're probably gonna be okay in like a month. Unless, like Majin says, we hit 20K in June.
You're stuck holding forever then.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raven back to 280.
Don't get the friend.
That would, dude. You know how many people would love to buy Raven below 300 sats? Oh man, if it ever went back down to 300, it would turn into like the new Doge, where it's just like you buy at this one level and you sell at this one. Like,
So yeah, someone's going on about BTT right now. What happened to BTT? Is that still going, or did that dump, or like what's happening with that guy?
dude, they have a news event today or tomorrow, so I think it's kind of entering a little distribution phase.
June 1st, 3
yeah.
days.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but like that's still a good fucking play. Let's be real.
Tunes,
Be real. Yeah, it could definitely pull back from here. I would say, unless it just holds this little area, this range.
Let me pull it up. Hold up.
Yeah, I gotta check that chart out before I say shit on it.
But I don't
Hopes
really
will go
know, you know,
crazy in June. What do you guys think?
Don't
Why
worry,
June,
Tunes.
buddy?
We know.
dude. Loma said that we were gonna get an alt season in June, so he's putting his rep on. He's putting his rep on the line. It's
Tunes
kinda-
has alarms set to his computer for every time one of his fucking idols tweets.
Dude, every time before I make a trade, I'm like, all right, so these guys said to buy it, and these guys said not to. And then I fucking do the math. And then I DM you, Natebag, and you tell me to fuck off.
That's pretty much how it goes, huh? I'm helping you. I'm the one helping you. Trust me on this.
Thank you.
So yeah, BTT don't look good. Don't buy it.
Now, I'm sure that most of you know the old story about the astronaut who went far out into
Margin, I know everything about
Space.
astronauts.
and was asked on his return whether he had been to heaven and seen God. And he said yes.
I'm intrigued. I'm really intrigued by this.
We're gonna enlighten everybody here.
I hope
Iconic.
it talks about something about going to the moon and Bitcoin and something like that. Because Margin, I agree. Straight to the moon.
Natebag, I want to know what percent of your portfolio is in like fiat, and what percent is in Bitcoin, and what percent is in alts.
All right,
Put you
so
on the spot.
I won't tell you alts. I'll just go like Bitcoin and crypto. So I'm like
Okay.
99% in crypto, and I got like maybe enough for McDonald's tomorrow.
Yeah, dude, I got you.
Yo, Margin's having a party. He didn't even fucking
Margin
invite
gets no
us. Jesus
fucks.
Christ.
Weather cold, the weather so chill, chilly,
Man,
really
fucking
bring your
going.
feather roll.
I
Sipping
muted
from.
him.
Yeah, that meant
I
the
can't even
bro.
mute him. Wow, this is a Paul. Oh, there we go. Now I'm muted.
That's that ASAP song, Lovesick. I
It
love
was
that
a good.
song.
It was a good time hosting you.
Alright, sorry.
Someone
No.
muted the message.
So what was the question?
That's just $100.
Tezos to $100. I can back that.
Dude, yeah. Oh, biggest bag, Tezos all day. All day. All fucking day. All day. Yo, HackerMan. I made a chart of Tezos that I would love if you could like potentially pull up. Yeah. And then you guys can all roast it if you want. Or you can review.
Oh god, I'm ready for this.
It's honestly the most like proud I've ever been of a chart. So
Is it on your
no.
Twitter?
it's on my Twitter. It's pretty far down because I fucking tweeted a lot today. 17 hours ago.
What ticker was it again?
XTZ.
Ticker's
Ecstasy.
Ticker's your fuel chart.
Ecstasy.
It's the drug.
Yup.
It's the drug coin.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Tunes. Yo, where the fuck, man? My phone died this morning. I'm really pissed with all my Google Authenticator shit. Luckily, I'm not an idiot and I backed it up. But yeah,
Yeah,
man.
that's such a stupid hassle.
Right
Yeah.
there.
That happened a few times now, and it sucks. And yeah, once I didn't think I had anything like remaining of my fucking Binance authenticator.
Oh no.
I just couldn't find it anywhere, and I just so happened to just like, I kind of like gave up for 3 days. I'm like, honestly, my Binance is fucking gone. I gotta restart on this shit. And I just so happened to scroll across a photo on my phone of like my backup, and I was like, holy shit, like
Nice.
I am one lucky motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna break down this chart for you. So basically, the way that Tezos in its pump has been going is it'll go up about like 65 to 85%, and then it'll pull back about like 25%. And the pumps are getting longer, but the pullbacks are always 3 to 4 days. And
So longer pumps but less volume. What does that make you think long term is gonna happen?
well, I mean, this is just the
Well, not even
Huobi.
long term, but like medium term. Like
I get what you're saying,
something.
but this is just Huobi, and like the volume on it is already like probably fake. So I'm not really taking the volume too much into account. But if that holds, then that should bring us into price discovery in June,
It's
which is
not
what
gonna
I'm
hold.
anticipating.
I
Thanks, Raja.
Thank you
love
for
it.
that.
I
Thank
love
you.
it.
Thank you.
Fucking admit it, man.
No, dude, they just had a fucking sick governance, like some bullshit. You know what? It's a scam. The writings in the whatever the saying is.
The proof is in the pudding.
Do you
The
guys
writing's on the
invest
walls.
a lot?
Yeah, man.
Just stare at charts, alt charts. It is.
Majin, have you seen that Bitcoin dominance is currently in the ascending wedge,
Yeah.
about to hit resistance? Does that give you anything?
Dump
Like,
it.
is it irrelevant?
That chart is like a meme to me, man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just gonna do what it's gonna do, and it's like in favor of dominance of Bitcoin going up.
Bitcoin's never going up again.
I don't know. I'm not too hopeful about the halving of Litecoin, but I mean, like I said, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not expecting too much. I'm expecting if we don't break through 150, I'm out completely.
Yeah, Majin, you're kind of breaking up a bit, so we can't hear much of what you're saying.
But we still respect it. Keep talking.
Mm-hmm.
Still?
No, we're good now. I think.
Nope.
I against I, flesh of my flesh, the mind of my mind. Two of a kind, but one must survive. Sorry.
Yeah,
I had to get that out.
if Litecoin does break 150, and you buy some more on a pullback, whatnot, what's your like end goal? Like, what do you think Litecoin's gonna finally top at again? Do you think it'll break all-time highs on like its next run? There you go.
It depends. Well, it depends what like on a macro perspective what Litecoin can do. Because as a coin, I mean, if Bitcoin could put a privacy layer on top, or if it has a Lightning network, Litecoin kind of loses its purpose.
Its value.
But if the Litecoin fund can start making smart investments and they start acquiring assets, then maybe Litecoin could kind of derive some value from the moves it's making outside. But I truthfully don't know.
It's gonna make a new all-time high, and you fucking know it, man.
Yeah.
This year,
That's
so not everything, but a certain select few things.
Litecoin is the silver, man.
Yeah, exactly, dude.
that.
It kind of has it has sentimental value similar to Doge, right? That's what I think, at least.
Yeah, like all the majors will like rally,
Dump it.
like for sure. It's just some of these shit coins that, like Pascal or whatever,
Damn.
that are like really looking creepy as fuck. But even those, there's always some sick will that will pop up someday. I really think like people should buy random things and wait for months. You know,
LTC
like,
will be used to transfer BTC. Yep, that's what I did in 2017 because I'm sure
and
Bitcoin's going to be slowed up.
yeah,
Yeah, exactly. On
I
like
use
when
I
used
use
to
ETH
cash
for that.
out, I'd have to go to fucking Bitcoin ATMs, and they would mainly accept Bitcoin or Litecoin, and it was hella worth it to use Litecoin on them. I'd be standing around the fucking ATM for an hour if I used Bitcoin, which literally happened once. I was trying to like, it wasn't even much. I was like taking a couple $100, and like I just kind of wanted it, and I ended up waiting for like close to 2 hours just in a bar by myself beside the fucking Bitcoin ATM.
That's sad.
Damn.
Yeah, it was a rough time, man. Hopefully Bitcoin never gets like that again, but you damn well know it will.
Dude, but I use ETH for that. You know.
Certain
XRP was really fast.
yeah, XRP's fast too, but not all like it. Like the ATM I went to only accepted Bitcoin or Litecoin, so.
I just mean in terms of like transferring wealth between exchanges, like, you know, you have coins that are listed against ETH, so it's like it kind of works out. Where like they
ETH
have
can slow
liquidity,
down
like
too,
ETH
though,
is the only pair besides Bitcoin that has like a decent amount of liquidity, like for other altcoins listed against from exchange to exchange. I don't know. But that's at least how I feel like ETH will always have that utility until other coins have like liquidity with another pair besides Bitcoin and ETH.
The only utility ETH brings us is Decentraland. That's our future.
Dude, that's one of my other biggest bags, man. I can't wait until if that ever does launch. Like,
it will someday.
Do you own land?
No,
Ace?
man. I literally missed the ICO by a day,
Dude,
like one fucking day.
I feel like you need land, not the fucking mana coin.
I have a lot of mana coin. I mean, if I wanted to, I could go through the process of it. But I think I need to do KYC to buy land.
Yeah, you do.
Are you sure?
What sucks,
Really?
I there was someone who was gonna sell me some land, like without me having to go through KYC, and I was pumped, I was excited, but I didn't go through with it. I regret it because that's gonna be cool as fuck.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that
get
looks
some
good on the
eventually.
daily.
Dude, when coins start pumping, people are gonna want to sell their land because it's not like
Yep.
So that's when you.
Yeah, but not if you have your land in like ideal locations.
I know, dude. I was about to buy this one on a street, and it was like really cheap, and I fucked it up.
I can
and I
promise
didn't buy
every
it.
time, like this will definitely get over 1,000 sats. Like you could buy this now. I would probably market buy this thing right now. I probably would go market buy this tonight.
You know what the best thing to market buy tonight would be?
Viacoin.
Yep, that's the one, buddy.
Wait for
Always
the
all
announcements
Always
coming.
all in on Viacoin. When that announcement comes,
There's an announcement.
great. Like honestly,
coming.
there's a couple announcements coming, but there's like 2 or 3 of them that it's gonna straight matic that motherfucker. We're going to new all-time highs. Huge announcements. Huge.
I mean, I heard like
I
heard some Facebook rumblings, but I'm not gonna I'm not gonna
Facebook
put that out.
nothing on Via.
Do it.
Yeah.
Let us.
Yo, how many viewers do we have right now? 100,
120.
Yeah, 119. First of all, thank you for watching us. Secondly, if you like what you're hearing, hit the like button, subscribe, add any of these fine gentlemen on Twitter.
No big deal. Target's almost there.
Also subscribe to me. I don't know how Bagsy got more subscribers than me. It's kind of bullshit. Seeing as I've hosted the majority of these chats.
Oh, that's because because of my I think because of the Bybit giveaway thing. So basically, if you sign up to my YouTube and use my ref link, you deposit 0.1 Bitcoin and you get $50 for free.
Oh no way! Nice.
Somebody said audio isn't clear sometimes.
Turn up your fucking volume.
Shitcoin Jerry said viewer all-time high. That's not true. Last week I think we hit 170. I wasn't watching it, but we hit over 170. Were you guys watching it? Natebag?
Was that the one I was hosting?
Yeah, it was the Dragon.
It was fucking last week. How do you?
Bro, I don't remember what happened yesterday. I can't remember when we started this fucking podcast. I'm lost.
Yeah. You guys were supposed to show everyone the next Matic, and I think you let them down.
No. They know. We've been telling them. There's some big announcements coming. You guys just gotta buy Via and wait. If it doesn't work out, you can contact me, and I will get you to our intern.
Satoshi Sonic. I mean, Bybit's. There's nothing wrong with Bybit. I just like BitMEX because of just the way BitMEX is run. But literally nothing wrong with Bybit. I've been using it for the last couple of days, and it's been pretty cool. I mean, there's features that I like on BitMEX, but there's also things about Bybit that I like more than BitMEX. So really nothing wrong with it.
Is Bybit mainly just like a BitMEX clone?
No, it has like yeah, pretty much. It just doesn't have like all the other pairs. I think it only has like so many pairs.
Okay, yeah.
Yo, what's up, Lindsay Jew? Nice to see you. I met Lindsay and sorry to interrupt. I met Lindsay in Consensus. Good to
Nice.
Thanks for dropping by. Very
What's
very
good?
intelligent.
Oh, out of boy bags. Yeah, I see you.
Yeah. So what's up?
Indicators are a scam. Majin, do you want to explain? Like, I agree, but I just want to hear your explanation on why indicators are a scam. He's dead. Okay,
Nah.
yep,
Yeah.
that's it.
Right now he's busy holding up the wall.
No,
Wait, do you guys still have him on? Do you guys still have him on mute?
No.
No.
the thing with indicators is that they carry false assumptions. You know, like they're always lagging.
Yep, always.
Always. So if something happens, you can get some certain signal which is positive, but in the meanwhile, something else has happened to the price. You know, so you're gonna do the wrong thing. You get me?
Yeah.
So for instance, the MACD will give you a false
Yeah,
positive
if you're,
that the trend
if you're
has
solely
switched.
acting on the indicator, I can agree it's going to make you do the wrong thing, but I still
But-
think they can add in and help you.
Of
You're
course,
just going to
but
know how to
not
read them. Yeah.
exactly. Especially when multiple indicators confluence. Okay, especially then you should know how each of the indicators is calculated and what it specifically tells. That's what it's.
That's a really good description. I like that.
Like you should never forget that indicators are a derivative of the real tape action, of the real supply and demand, and it always carries some sort of noise and noise and smoothing trade-off. And it's always, some indicators are like, momentum, which uses assumptions of overbought and blah, blah, blah. Or some indicators are just trend-based, like Ichimoku or MAs. And it's like so much assumptions that people don't really realize, they just use
Overanalyze it.
What?
They overanalyze it.
Well, no, they don't realize what it is, You get me? So for instance, you're like, oh my god, this crossed this, that's a long signal. Instead of thinking, what did that mean? For instance, look at the fucking 17K top of last year. Every trending indicator gave it a breakout signal. 17K bull trap. But that was because it was on purpose. You get me? So everyone using an indicator for a high time frame, for trending or momentum, got 16, 17K. And that's like the risk with indicators.
Thank you, Majin.
That was a good explanation, man. That was a good one.
Yeah, so basically...
Yeah, they really mislead. They really mislead. And I really
they can.
think,
they definitely can mislead you. If you don't know what you're looking at, you can get fooled.
I also think that people don't give too much attention to what is more important, like the tape action. In my opinion. And like order books. I have no idea why people are still ignoring that. Literally, every fucking major pump of this year was called in advance by Bitfinex order book. Like completely reshuffling. Every fucking one of them.
And you mainly look at you mainly look at Bitfinex's Bitfinex's order books.
Yeah, but like if you pay attention to them, you can tell when they radically shift. You get me? And every time they radically shifted, it preceded a major pump. But not only that, like Coinbase, for instance, at 3K, the books were fucking empty, and sometimes, in between the random chops, sometimes a 80 Bitcoin wall on the ask or buy side would pop up, or 200 Bitcoin wall, always 80 or 200, and then some certain action would start. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
But otherwise, it was just random chaos. And when those specific walls on Coinbase would pop up, we would do something. So yeah, there's like a lot of interesting things going on in order books and order flow, which people are really not even looking for. They prefer like.
Sorry, I was going to say, what's your favorite service to look at these shifts in order block movements and all that?
I think Tensor is versatile.
Okay. What's the website for our people in chat?
TensorCharts.com. But like, there's like a lot. For instance, wait. Cryptometer.io. It takes a different approach, but it's also like funny or useful. And it's less well known. Yeah, like I prefer like watching Finex website itself for Finex order book. And BitMEX, I always like zoom the fuck out. For instance, yeah, like the aggregations, everybody is like zoomed in and they're like, oh my God, there's a scam wall, 20 million or 10 million or whatever. But if you aggregate it to like, thousands, you can tell that certain day 15 million got added to the bid side, and sometimes you see that scam wall pop up and then vanish into the bid side again. You get me? Or you can tell when walls are like shuffling between the both sides, when the aggregations like shift with the same wall size. And not even that, every time we started trending BitMEX bid side, just fucking double in liquidity, fucking double. And if you don't zoom out, you can't see it. Like zoom all the way out to all the fucking irrelevant orders. Because that's how those things work. It's like a process of an algo that places orders at irrelevant far prices, but then instantly cancels it to some other place in the order book or a market order. It's all automated. And those scam that like fucking scam depth book of BitMEX, it's just meant to mirror tape action of other exchanges, of the source exchanges. So if walls pop up, let's say Bitstamp, the depth chart will mirror that. It's just a fucking mirror. I don't know, like if you guys have watched the BitMEX depth chart, it's like fucking theater always. So yeah. It's fun to watch it.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, I try to keep it on stream for people just to watch it.
Yeah, it's something else.
Oh yeah, I'm done ranting about order books, I think. But there's like way more.
We love the order book rant, man. We love it.
Yeah.
That's it. That's exactly why we have you here tonight, so you can rant.
Nah, like tonight was not a good night. Like I really need to sleep.
Yeah. Oh, you can leave. You can leave whenever you need,
some
man.
sleep, bro. Yeah, get some sleep.
No, man, we got him on order books now. He'll be up for hours. You got to get all the rants out.
You're gonna get
I haven't
another.
really watched at some certain point anymore today. I was really about to sleep, and like Nate and Jude were like spamming me on the DMs, like join, and I was like, but it's for
bro. You have to let the people know. You're the prophet. We needed you.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
The peer pressure.
I'm a fucking sane, okay?
You're stuck here now. You can never leave again.
You are the new host.
Yeah, Majin,
Sure,
that's how. Once you
do it.
come on the stream,
I'll
you
do
kind
it
of
and I'll
become the
just-
co-host.
I'll do it and I'll just play ASAP Rocky songs all day. Yeah, man.
Hey, that's a good stream, I'd say.
I mean, that's really all you need to know, man. Like, ASAP Rocky's lines about liquidity, man. It's like really knowledge. Create, explore, expand, conquer. What? Nobody gets it?
I get it.
I sadly didn't hear it, but I'll say I get it.
Fuck
Haha,
off.
good one, man.
Fuck off. Okay, yeah.
It's the VPNs and the distance, you know.
Yep. All right, he's out now. That was Margin. That was the boy.
Yeah.
All right,
Good
I just
night.
want to make an announcement. T Fuel is currently trading under 200 sats.
Ooh.
I just want to make that announcement.
Exit all your positions.
Everyone get the fuck out.
That's just my announcement.
Yeah, if it breaks 198, it's not looking too good. Well, sorry, breaking close beneath on like
Yeah,
the 4
that
hour.
would not be good at all.
As long as it stays over the highest volume node, I'm cool with that. VPVR has really been playing out recently with most of the alt bounces on higher time frames. I don't know if you guys use that tool much or not, but I like it.
It's a very useful tool.
Somebody mentioned before, VPR, you can normally find the zones for VPR if you know how to find support and resistances, but if you don't, that makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, no, exactly. But sometimes for me, I'll see an area that I wouldn't have seen before.
Mm-hmm.
Just sometimes on bigger time frame charts, when you have different levels of support layered out through the map, it really helps to narrow down the search. Tunes, what's your favorite indicator, Donald?
Twitter
Dude,
notifications, bro.
Don out definitely for the macro, 100%. Then I got some dudes I like to check out for alt trading. You also gotta have the people. You gotta also have the people that you counter trade. That's important too.
All right, who's your main counter trade?
Dude, like.
Are you saying me? I don't know. You don't fucking see my trades. So fuck
no,
off.
Natebag. You love to make fun of my followers, but like, you know, sometimes.
So who you counter trading? Who you counter trading?
So here's the thing: if you amass followers that are just joining the space, like you have a good understanding of their sentiment just by their comments on your tweets. So that's something I've used to my advantage.
I don't know. I don't follow anyone. I don't. You know.
Yeah, everyone who I thought about counter trading, I would just cut out of my following list.
Exactly.
So I don't remember them. I don't remember names.
There's no time for failure.
Yeah, same here. I only counter trade them when they pop up with like the excessive likes from everybody else.
Yeah, exactly. If I just so happen to see it on my like Twitter log, then I know for sure I gotta counter trade. Like I really gotta go that one.
Like every time I see Angelo's tweets, I'm like, all right, market short immediately.
Or
dude, sometimes I counter trade myself. Like if I really want to buy something, like if I want to sell something, I'll buy it.
I believe it.
And it, dude, you know, it works. It works out, man. So you know, to each their own. You know,
if counter trading your own fucking thoughts is your best edge, then so
like that just might make me the best trader in the world. You know, if I just counter trade myself to the day I die. Honestly, yeah.
So you should probably sell your T-Fuel right now.
No, look, I have all this shit in my brain that's telling me to buy it, so we're good.
Yeah, so that's a great indicator that right now.
Don't beat. Loadsy dump.
Dude, they're immortalized, those guys.
Yo, how about Master Chief on Twitter mentioning Bagsy Coin?
No, dude, that was funny.
I was dying. I was like, "What did he hear our conversation?"
Hashtag Bagsy. Yeah, it's a sign, guys. I think I'm gonna make it happen.
We're gonna fork Litecoin.
Yeah,
just do it, man.
Privacy, offshore hedging.
I'll be your main investor.
That $100 gold an hour can be paid.
Litecoin dark.
Oh my god.
Bagsy dark.
Bagsy dark.
Bagsy light. No, Bagsy light. Bagsy light.
I prefer dark Bagsy.
It's already dark. Yes, it's already dark. Bagsy light. That's. I'm gonna make another alt account.
Oh, dude, that's how I should read. Oh, yeah, that's so smart.
I don't know how you guys can have like these multiple accounts.
That's how I'm gonna rebrand my other ones. It's gonna be Bagsy Light.
Dude, if you don't have at least like 5 alt accounts, you're fucking up.
I have every alt account.
Natebag, I know one of your alt accounts, and it frustrates me.
I have every alt account.
I know one of your alt accounts, and we
It's
fucking
inverse, bro.
and we DM. There's actually someone that I DM with Natebag, and I'm convinced it's you. and I guess I'll just literally never know.
Reptar is actually me.
What?
Brain and Reptar are both me.
No, I mean it's not them, but it's someone else. Natebag, you literally have like 20 Twitter accounts.
Don't worry about it, man.
You were drunk. You were drunk on it, and you started sending me like all of them.
Yeah, man, probably happened.
Can I say like one of them?
The Bag Bros.
You have like boob bag.
Oh, mine.
What?
Bro, Natebag has like Natebag was drunk one night and he sent a DM me and it was like follow my alt accounts. It's like boob bag.
Yep.
And
Also,
all these
Luke Bag is another one.
Lupe bag.
The whole Bag Bros secured.
Dude, Lupe is one of the best accounts on like just whoever created it. It's a masterpiece.
For so long.
Dude, and then like he starts tweeting again, and then like Bitcoin starts looking topish, and then like Stardust is tweeting like blame Lupe. Oh man, I love that shit.
These
It's always-
supports need to just break. Like they keep holding up. I don't like it. It's almost 11 o'clock. They're gonna break soon.
These support's gonna
Margin's gonna be
we
disappointed.
jumping? We crashing now?
Margin's
Finally?
gonna be disappointed.
Mark's gonna liquidate. He's gonna stay up on like he's gonna go ghost for 3 hours on Twitter. We're gonna get like a straight fuck capitulation. I'm out, boys. Gone
Yo,
like ass Drake.
To Spence asking about order blocks. If you haven't been in my Discord, I just put the invite link. There's a free educational section on order blocks. You can check it out there. And if you have any questions, hit me up. Oh man, I'm fucking sore from the gym.
Oof.
That's great.
Yeah, guys, don't click that link. It's malware. It's gonna give
It's,
you a
I'm gonna
virus.
get all your bitcoinsies.
Yeah. Do not click that link.
It's actually
Ha-
porn.
Hacked by Bagsy Light.
Bagsy has an evil twin. He's taken over.
Dude, have you guys ever wanted to have a twin at some point? Wondered what it would have been like?
Probably pretty cool, especially if like you're both good at fucking around. It could be sweet.
You just prank people. Have him like fuck your girlfriend.
What the fuck? That's a horrible prank.
Dude's cooking out his own.
You're
twin.
such a cuck, dude. Oh man, but dude, I have these twins and they're my friends and they're exactly like that and they love racing and shit. So we go karting, we fuck around. It's
That would be
so much
sweet.
fun to be around, and they're best friends. So there's none of that bad beef shit. But yeah, twins are awesome.
That'd be fucking sweet.
Yo, is trading an esport?
Absolutely not.
It should be
What's an esport?
Like live trading. Like
a
if
live
there's-
sport.
say there was like 100 people all like live trading Bitcoin for like 4 hours.
Oh,
And,
like,
like
a competition game, but trading wouldn't that technically like not be legal? Wouldn't that be breaking some stuff?
dude, not in this new paradigm.
It's not a video game. It's an actual platform.
I just see this future where like all these like kids like tune in to like these other kids like just like trading, and it's like Fortnite kind of.
That's where you got that scam, Acorn or whatever. Invest pennies into making money.
Yo, tunes, let's make it happen, man. We'll be the first.
Straight up, honestly, when you guys start shilling fucking Dogecoin to a bunch of kids, it's time for you guys.
Dude,
Dude's trying to scam.
I was hearing that like there's like these South Korean like 12-year-olds that use Binance like fucking a video game.
Sure
Like
do.
it's like a thing that over there. Like these kids are just like trading. Like it's
Well,
a
the
game.
thing is like over there's like all those like computer like lobbies and like those computer shops where you can hang out and stuff
too.
If you saw like the initial thing to the launch pads of Binance, like there was just kids like loaded up sitting in those computer lounges, like all Binance screens open.
Yeah.
It's a way to make money if you're not stupid.
I wish I was more patient and I hadn't bought T-Fuel above 200 sats because now I can buy it for it. But I can't because I already bought.
You bought T-Fuel, now you're broke, man. We get it.
Yeah. If this was on margin, I'd be liquidated by now.
I want you to like please when you get started with margin, because like you gotta at some point log everything, like how much money you put in, how much money you lose. Just log it all. I want to see it on your Twitter, man. It'll be a great.
Yeah.
Wintertooth said he never got a reply from you back. He feels bad.
What's that?
Somebody didn't get a reply from you on Twitter. Wintertooth.
Oh. Yo, my bad. I've been getting so many DMs lately. Like it's incredible, but I'll get to you. I promise.
He's making his way.
Making my way through.
Yo, I'm like so close to like putting Russell Okanug on mute or whatever. My man is posting something new about Bitcoin like every day.
In a good way, or?
I mean, I guess it's good. He's officially turned in from a football player to
Really?
Bitcoin promoter.
Damn.
Like, here's its financial freedom is our only hope.
What's that? Yo, Ace, what's Bitcoin doing right now? I'm rolling a J, so I can't really look at it.
Not shit. Still still ranging. Like, I mean, there's a range right here.
I think we can bounce or not.
It's trying. I mean, it's holding up this trying to make a higher high from last time, so probably.
Let's see. Let's hope, man. We gotta make sure fucking Margin wakes up tomorrow morning.
Bagsy, you've been doing a lot of drugs recently, huh?
Yo, Salsa Tequila has his own style. I don't think anybody should follow him just because he has like his own little thing. But you can learn a lot from him from the way he's doing it. Somebody's asking about Salsa Tequila.
Oh, yeah, he's a
like
good guy to follow.
His risk plan is like through the roof. Like that's such a good risk plan he has.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like Salsa knows how to get in and out of positions too, so he's very flexible and he knows how to manage his risk, like Ace said. So he's good. It's just he has a very particular style that will only suit certain people. So
everyone has their own type of style. Everyone has their own type of style, so you can't follow anyone's solely.
True. Yeah, but it might work out for, I guess, the OP, but the odds are low. But definitely study it, see if it's something that you see yourself trying.
I do def counter trade him sometimes. It's definitely fun to, but he is really good.
I love losing money too. It's okay.
Yeah. Dude.
Okay. So yeah, dude. So guys, another update on T-Fuel. So basically, it is holding this diagonal line right here. But if it breaks it, I might not be tweeting too much tomorrow.
People money is gonna get the shit kicked out of them tomorrow.
Dude, I feel bad for the people that.
How do you feel about this oversold stock RSI? It's just back up down.
Yeah, really, that oversold can fuck it up.
Oh man.
T-Fuel the 1400.
Okay, put it on the 15-minute. That's what you want to be looking at.
Maybe if you want to be out of the trade by the end of the night.
No, put it in the 15-minute.
It's on.
All right. Sorry, there's just a bit of a lag, but you can see that little line that it's like holding. You know what I'm talking about.
No one does.
Yeah.
No one knows what you're saying.
Oh man. Well, my line, I see that. Well, if you have it on the Binance, it's cleaner, but I don't know if that's Binance or not. That's like the
bias.
Yeah, it's general.
Okay.
I can switch it.
So yeah, guys, maybe T-Fuel's the next Matic.
Nope. Matic is, man. There's no doubt about it. Via coin. The one. It's the only. Name one other coin with a mascot. Can you?
Dragon Chain.
Bitconnect?
No, those are not mascots.
Wait, Viacoin has a mascot?
It has the best mascot.
Oh,
Actually.
Vietcoin Man.
There
Oh man, yeah, the man.
the man.
Yeah, that's
I
what I'm
will
talking
admit-
about. But you can definitely bring that down a bit. You can make that line more bullish, Ace. You could definitely make that line a bit more bullish.
There you go. There you go. Support.
Thank you.
It's dumping through.
No, it's good.
Damn.
We're good.
Shout out to Lannister for selling at 215 earlier.
Wow. Not,
GG Tunes, you have once again on camera.
not shout out, dude. He's probably the reason it went down. Wow.
Yo, Ace, should we TP some of our short here?
I got it.
Okay.
I took off most of our position and reopened again.
Oh, we're chill. What's the entry? I couldn't load Bybit on my thing.
It's down low. I was doing it while we were on stream right now.
Yeah, someone in the chat just said who had to lick Bagsy's chode for the TE food investment.
Oh yeah, because I said yeah. Oh man, I forgot where I first heard about TFD, but man, that's a rough one.
Are they dead? What happened to them?
Oh no, just
I never looked back ever.
yeah. Recently, I think they had some volume coming in. I checked a few days ago, but yeah, it's been a rough. It's been a rough decline.
Doesn't look good. Looks really bad. This looks really bad.
Yeah, you want to open it, Ace?
Uh-oh.
It's on Coin Signals.
It doesn't look good.
Okay. Are you showing your screen tunes or what?
Me? No.
Okay,
Tunes doesn't know how to do that.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, T-Fuel looks like it might have just bounced at 196. It just bounced all the way up to 199.
He's so excited. You can hear the excitement in his voice. Are you gonna?
This is big for me.
You gonna cut your bag?
No. I have conviction with my trades.
Yeah, I'm profit man. Conviction of my trades, bro. You have conviction with. I don't know if you trade. Just buy and pray.
Dude, I am a educated gambler. Is what I call myself. With risk management. Yeah. It's worked out for me. You know, like I said, everyone has their own thing, and my thing has worked for me. So
my thing's just throwing money around, but it works.
You know, my confluence is the people I follow. Pretty much.
Small breakout on Ethereum BTC.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Finally.
It's at resistance though, but
still I could see us breaking.
Yeah, Cardano's looks like it's revving up. Just reclaimed that as support, which is nice.
For all that community effort. For all that community effort of everybody.
Yeah, we've been talking this shit up for the last hour 50. That's why these coins are recovering.
Exactly, yeah. It's us. We're holding them, man. Got it.
But it's crazy though. Anyways, I'm not going to go into it, but when people could focus all their energy towards one thing, how there are shifts in like the
yeah.
You know what I mean? There is some type of psychic phenomenon that we can't really measure yet.
Oh, Bagsy.
I believe it, man. I believe it.
Oh, Bagsy.
Oh, Bagsy.
Is this the shrooms? Is this the shrooms, man?
Your camel, right? It is, and I got his back.
Somebody said check.
It's probably the marijuana.
Me for the next 6 hours of this duration.
Oh shit!
Theta fuel. It's coming back.
Look at Theta. Look at Theta, guys. Let's go. That's a fucking candle.
That's pretty nice.
And you guys think T-Fuel's gonna dump?
There you go, T-Fuel. What are you looking at here?
Our bags.
Yeah, you saw Theta rip that candle. You guys, oh my god, you guys are too much. Oh man, you guys crack me.
Here's my target for Theta right now. It's probably
What a Chad candle. That's what Bagsy's talking about with this psychic thing. Honestly,
I got you guys. Don't worry.
dude, Theta got integrated into an app with 50 million users. How is that not mass adoption?
XCM.
What is XCM though? What did it do? Like
They integrated with WhatsApp.
they did, but like how? Like how? In what way?
It's gonna be used as the main currency on WhatsApp, so you can technically use XCM right now on WhatsApp.
Interesting.
Okay, but that's not really the same in the sense of like you're not using the network in any way. That you're just allowed to use it. Like with Theta, at least the people that are using that app are going to be using the Theta network and generating T-Fuel.
This motherfucker is only okay with Theta. Don't even bring up any other coins.
Dude, what other coin is going to give us mass adoption, boys? Besides Via coin.
And Via coin, yeah, don't forget about that. Come on now.
Nah, dude. Mass adoption comes through doesn't come through, I would say, not so much necessarily through competition, but through integration. So
options coming from Viacoin, man.
I'm looking at coins that are going to be able to be integrated into the services people already use on a daily basis, and like Theta is a great example of one that could just be integrated into services like even YouTube that we're using right now, which would bring down YouTube's costs and then would also incentivize more people to use YouTube because we could all be generating T-Fuel right now. Or another one would be like Engine, which is just you would integrate it into mobile games. So
no, Engine.
Then you generate T-Fuel.
Yeah, dude. But I'm telling you guys, Theta is the god token, and I think T-Fuel will seem more short-term bullish.
NME, I'm waiting for Dogecoin, bro. I'm waiting for that thing, the moon. I'm waiting for the bottom.
Yeah.
Get that bottom, bro. Get that bottom.
That's when we'll know there's a bull run when that thing starts pumping.
What is
an indicator for money moving into alts? That's for sure.
Yeah, true. That's true. But Natebag, with your high intelligence, do you have any FUD or counter to my Theta hypothesis?
Yeah, Theta doesn't have a Theta coin man or anything, so
all right. You know what? You just gave me an idea. You just gave me an idea.
Dude, Tunes, you have to do it. You have to do it.
If one shows up, it's definitely not me. That's all I'm gonna say.
You have to do it.
Theta,
this is your rise to fame. Your claim to fame.
Yo, Via Coin Man, I'm gonna hit you in your DMs.
He's gonna send you those nudes you finally asked.
You want to find out what it takes to be the mascot.
What work do you have to do?
Yeah, what do I have to do to be a Theta mascot?
Make me number one.
Teach me the ways.
I'll do anything.
Man, Viacoin Man would handle the fuck out of you, dude. That guy's stacked. Have you seen him?
His cock is so big.
He can't even wrap both hands around the fucking thing.
Dude, there's nothing I love more than seeing him show up on my feed, though.
Oh man, he's my favorite person ever. He's the best.
Like, is it someone's alt or is it just a dude?
Nah, man, he's always talking third person. I think it's himself.
No, Viacoin Man is Viacoin Man. There is no one else.
Wait,
that's his real name.
Do you guys see his pin tweet? Can you pull it up? Can you pull it up? I'm dying right now. Oh my god. Oh man. Viacoin Man.
You should seriously have more followers because he's like, in my mind, he's the only mascot that doesn't get made fun of. You know what I mean?
I say we start a GoFundMe to get him like an actual Viacoin man costume. His
That'd
full
be-
AVI just made in a full costume.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. Unreal. Go full screen. You gotta go full screen so that people can see it. It's the fucking not finance.
Oh man.
Oh man. There's like at least a 30% chance that Viacoin man is Natebag.
On that note, I gotta go, boys. My cover's blown. No, for real though, there's no other coin with anyone as devoted as Viacoin man, and someone as smart as Viacoin man could not get lured into a scam, you know? So I would
True.
trust I would trust Via. Literally, Viacoin man is the smartest person I know. Look at that AVI and prove me wrong.
Damn.
Wow, fucking King just threw mad shade. Wow,
I
King. Me, he just tweeted, pull up trap ads.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Trap ads.
Just like and retweet, boys. Just like and retweet.
No man, you gotta laugh at that one. That's a good one.
It is a good one.
That's hilarious.
To wipe my fucking hard
Listen to
drive.
Cryptunez say some dumb shit on his podcast and proceeded to wipe my hard drive to ensure it didn't stick with me.
Oh man.
Damn, that's heavy.
Yep.
Yeah, to everyone in stream right now, tomorrow, Ace and I, we're going to have Prince from the Crypto Street podcast on. We're going to talk crypto options, going to hang out. That's going to be at, I think at 8 o'clock tomorrow, if I'm not
Nice.
mistaken. 8 or 9.
It's
I'll
gonna be,
confirm tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm
Great.
really looking forward to talking options with him because I'm really want to do some Durbin options. Him and Zal have been showing them for a while, and I want to talk about regular
What the
options.
fuck? Oh my god, someone just created a Theta coin man and DM'd me.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, it's fate.
It's fate.
It's fate. The suit was made for you. You just
I
got to
know,
slip into it.
It's fucking this guy, shitcoin Jerry.
Dude, you
That's
got to
what-
go all the way with this.
I can't.
You have to. Imagine how big Theta is going to be in your
Yeah.
mind. So imagine you're the mascot for one of the biggest crypto / gaming tokens
It's still
known to
pumping.
man.
Why?
Dude, you'll be bigger than any of us.
Why is it still pumping?
What's pumping?
Yeah, by crypto options, I mean Durbin options for that.
Oh, Theta is moving. GG.
Dude. And you guys think that T-Fuel ain't gonna follow? Some H.
I would love if Majin just hopped in for one quick second and be like, "No, it's going down."
No, everything is going down. Everything.
When he needs full access to every stream ever, just to hop in, say one quick crazy thought, and then leave.
So let's see now. Theta made its lows at about 1120 and is now at like 1888. That's pretty good as far as mid caps go. Wow. Super interesting. It's interesting.
Oh, let me get this
Man,
mask on.
my economy's trying to make the come on.
Dude.
It broke down major support today. Like this thing is not looking good. Yeah, 278.
Yo, Bugsy's fucked.
Anybody
Sorry.
in chat or from YouTube watching trade regular stocks? Have any opinions on them? On the market?
It's going down.
I did when one broker was around. Life hasn't been the same since.
Yeah, that was a sad event.
That was real sad. I did luck out though. I had literally like a week before they shut down. I took majority of my funds off.
Really, huh?
Yeah,
Nice.
so I was like, well, like straight up, like after they got fucking booked, I had some buddies with funds locked in there, and I was just like sitting there happy as fuck. But y'all suck.
if you had to, do you remember the best trader who was allowing his trades to be mimicked on that platform?
Oh, there was a few I actually did copy and profited off of hugely, but I couldn't remember names.
Okay.
I wouldn't like maybe if you said one, I would possibly remember one, but I don't even think so.
Yeah, I don't remember them either.
Oh, but there was a few. There was like 3 or 4 that I religiously like every month would make a small. I never put a lot up to like follow them, but still I was profiting. So it was a cool system. It was a cool system.
Okay. Oh shit, the link's down. The official. So yeah, this was telling people about. I think at the beginning of the stream is that the fucking official news got announced between Theta and this fucking.
Just a general SPY in general, Austin, and just China trades. That's what basically is wrapping around. It's just China trades and SPY directly.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, you guys.
T-Mec is mean to Viacoin, man. Yo, fuck T-Mec then. T-Mec's broke as fuck off of Zcash. Taking it all out on Viacoin, man.
How big was T-Mec's biggest account? Because this guy has like 10.
What?
T-Mec's biggest account on Twitter.
Know. He had a fairly large one.
Yeah, one like I think it was like over 50K.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
That he got
pain in the ass when you lose it.
Yep, that sucks. Especially like Cash Boy just losing his account. That sucks.
Do you know how that happened?
I don't even know. I don't know what tweet it was specifically.
You gotta stay safe out there.
Exactly.
T-Mac was fire on stocks too. Like I started paying attention to the stock plays. Like, oh man, some of them are really nice.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, he killed the Bitcoin long on that.
Oh yeah.
What was his entry? 3.4? 3.5?
I think it was 3.4.
Yeah, and he longed all the way to 5.57. Imagine he kept it open.
Oh my god! Imagine like just leaving it open, like it never going back down to that level ever again, and just always having that fucking position there.
Yeah,
dude, I saw that like Showerhead had some ridiculous position that was in the like.
Open, probably still fucking open.
That's cool, man. Like regardless of how big it is, just like having that, you know what I mean?
Like,
cool.
I wish I did, like, but I didn't keep any of my fucking long positions from down there. But I wish I did.
Yeah. Oh, so you long the bottom?
Did I long the bottom? I probably shorted the bottom as well as longing it and then shorted it. I like to overtrade, so I did. I did everything.
My man.
I did everything.
Gotcha.
Over trade game.
Yeah, literally, man. I took 400 trades at the bottom and still was convinced it wasn't the bottom. So
that was me with Litecoin, man. I finally was like, you know what, fuck it, I'm just gonna hold the bag, and thank God I did.
Fuck.
Yo, Theta Loki bounced from that line.
Yeah, so, Theta got that big bounce going.
I mean, T Fuel. That's what I meant. It bounced at 196, and now it's at 203.
Hanging out. So
we're good. We're good.
We're good.
This T Fuel coin is gonna be my
retirement fund.
My winner. Well, yeah.
I mean, profit if you promise to put all profits in VIA.
Deal.
If you don't, we're suppressing T Fuel, man. It's never going back up. I'm on full billion.
Man, no. Put up the sell walls. No, dude. Honestly, my plan is to just sell like half of my Tezos bags at like $10, and then just put it all into Theta and then retire.
Nice.
That's my plan.
India.
That's my plan. Tezos.
Sad to say, but it looks like I gotta head out now.
Yeah.
It was pleasure being on as always.
Thank you.
We should get everyone back up for next week when we get a Viacoin man on. It'll happen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Z's also coming on next week.
No way. Get everyone. Whole party.
Yeah.
All right, boys. Have a good night. Take it
Yeah,
easy.
man.
Man, peace.
Okay.
And then there were 3.
All right, guys, go ahead and invite the strippers now. We can get them on the stream.
Yeah, he's gone.
Natebag's gone.
Yo,
So how's
what's
your
up?
guys' Bybit challenge going?
What's up, LaRousse? We are at 0.051 something now. We're up like 20-25% from the last time.
We've done a bunch of successful trades since our little fuck up.
We'll rephrase. Ace has done a bunch of successful trades.
I just call it we since it's our account.
Yeah.
We could have when we were talking last night, we could have closed out our whole entire position last night, which I
I
regret.
know.
I should have never went to bed. I should have just stayed up, but whatever. Literally, that happens every time for me. That's why I don't sleep. It's like I sleep and the market moves and my position misses like optimal trading.
Must be the best thing when the market moves, you get into position and it hits your take profit or whatever, you exit, and then you have the best sleep ever.
I wouldn't know about that.
No, never. Fair enough. When's the last time you cracked open a 75 times long?
It's been a while.
Mm.
And we haven't had a wick yet, so I haven't really like
Mm-hmm.
had a good chance to.
Gone hunting.
And 75 times is in between. It either goes like 50 or 90 or 100.
Damn. Once I accidentally clicked the leverage up and I got entered into a fucked up situation because then there was system overload, so I couldn't take the like 80 whatever times leverage it was on, and I almost got wicked out. Saved it, but man, not fun. Yes.
They're still mooning.
Oh really? Huh?
Dude, T-Fuel's bouncing hard. It's at 205. It's bouncing.
Oh, that's a nice
Hit that trend line.
bullish div.
That trend line.
That's only on the 15 though, but it's something. Personally, I try to snipe a bit on the bottom trend line if possible.
Well, that'll make it a C fork, and you won't want that.
Yeah. Very true. Do you find C forks are quite accurate?
I mean, with Bitcoin lately, its little style has been like once that second C fork support comes up, it's just been bouncing through it. But yeah, I mean, I traded in shitcoins a lot, margin trading, like looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't mean it's always going to play out, but it's good to add another thing of confidence for me.
I like that. I like it a lot. Boom. So yeah, it's 11:09, 11:10.
I'm getting off. I'm being bullied on Twitter.
I can't. You gotta call in the reinforcements.
I gotta get off and clear my head.
Yo, to everyone who showed up tonight, thank you so much. We always appreciate your viewership. Ace, thank you for coming on, brother.
Yeah, man. Thanks for having me, guys.
Tune, thank you for coming on too.
Yep. Thanks for having me on. Appreciate it.
See you next week. Everyone at home, have a good night. Cheers.
See you guys. Bye.
Cheers. Bye.